All right, so we are now looking for a period from a trig graph. And so a period is the length or the amount of time before it repeats itself. So let me take a screenshot. So let's see, how long before this graph repeats itself? So let's do this one in green just because. So one of the easiest ways to do it is to take a look at like top until top. Like how long is this? This is one period. Like what is the length of this? So you can just use the distance between those two top points, okay? And so let's take a look at this x value. This one is at 6 pi. Let me write it somewhere else. Right here. And then this one is at 0. And so to find the distance between 6 pi and 0, you literally do 6 pi minus 0, which gives you 6 pi. So in this case, our answer for the period is 6 pi. And this works for any top to top or any bottom to bottom. So let's take a look at if I were to do it from bottom to bottom. So if I wanted to do bottom to bottom, this is one full rotation. So it starts at the bottom and ends at the bottom. We have 9 pi over here. We got 3 pi over here. If you were to subtract these to find the distance between these two spots, like how long is it from 3 pi to 9 pi? Because that's how long it is for one full rotation. Let's subtract it. You got 9 pi minus 3 pi. And if you were to subtract that, you get 6 pi. So see, the answer doesn't change. You can do top to top or bottom to bottom. And the answer will still be the same. So our period is 6 pi. Does anybody have a question for this one? Nope. Okay, let's do another one. Or let me type in 6 pi first. Look, they gave you a little pi button, so you just have to type 6, and then right underneath you can just press pi, and then you don't even have to like worry about copying and pasting the pi answer. All right, so we got it right. And let's see, do they show you a picture? Yeah, they show you top to top. So yeah. Next problem, let's do one more. Okay, so here we have another graph, and we need to find the period here. So let's do top to top. Just seems like it's the easier one, so we're gonna do top to top. So we have over here, this is pi over 2, and over here we have 0. So in order to find the distance between 0 and pi over 2, I'm gonna subtract them. So I do pi over 2 minus 0, which, oops, sorry. There we go, which as you guys know is pi over 2. So the period for this one is pi over 2. Any questions on this? Oh, how do you know which one goes first? Like pi over 2 minus 0? You do the bigger one, so the one that's more to the right minus the left, so that you get a positive number as your answer. So if you do right minus left, you got bigger minus smaller, so then now you end up with a positive period. Because a period is a length, so you want it to be a positive length. Because like, what does negative 2 feet mean? You know, like you can't have negative lengths. So if a period is a length, you want a positive length, so you do the right point minus the left point. That's a really good question. So bigger number minus smaller number. Right point minus left point. Any other questions? Alrighty, let's type pi over 2 then. Okay, so pi divided by 2 is our answer. Cool. So that was it for period from a trig graph. Let's do the next one.